Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ann Design Craft channel. Today I will crochet anger from inside out. If you like this, please subscribe and hit the like button. Your support really motivates me to create more videos for you. Here are the tools you'll need for this video: 4-ply cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, and a forceps for stuffing, a needle, pair of scissors. The video is divided into 2 parts. In part 1, I will crochet the body with cloth. In part 2, I will crochet the hand and cloth. I will start by crocheting the legs. Make a knot in a magic ring and do 6 single crochets into it. Here, I use light-colored yarn so it's easier for you all to see the stitches. For your crochet, please use black yarn. When you finish a round, make a slip stitch in the first stitch. And then make a chain to start the next round. Do it in every round's end and start. For round 1, do 6 increase. You will have total 12 stitches in this round. For round 2 to 3, single crochet in every stitches until end. In round 4, change to brown yarn. Hold both yarn tails tightly. Do 2 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat this set 4 times, total 16 stitches. In round 5, Do a single crochet in every stitch, working in the back loop only. In round 6, do a single crochet in every stitch, total 16 stitches. Cut the leftover yarn when you finish the first leg. Insert the hook into round 5 front loop. Put out the yarn and make a chain. Do 16 single crochet. Cut and hide the leftover yarn. Then, make another leg with the same pattern without cut off the yarn. Insert the hook into first leg. Yarn over and pull out the yarn. Make a slip knot. Start with a chain. Then do 16 single crochet in first leg. Insert the hook into second leg and continue to do 16 single crochet. When you finish a round, make a slip stitch in the first stitch and then make a chain to start the next round. You will have total 32 stitches in this round. In round 8, you need to crochet with 2 colors in 1 single crochet to achieve a flat line of color change. Yarn over and pull out the black yarn. Start with a chain with black yarn. Insert the hook into both loops. Switch hands to hold the black yarn, then yarn over and pull out the brown yarn. Switch hands to hold the brown yarn over with the black yarn, and pull it through both loops on the hook. Repeat these steps consistently. For more details, you can also check out my other video about how to change colors in a perfect striped line. I will share the link in the description. In round 9, same to previous round, need to crochet 2 color in 1 single crochet to get a perfect stripe line. In this round, switch between black yarn and beige yarn. In round 10, do 7 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat this pattern 4 times. You have total 36 stitches in this round. In round 11 and 12, do 12 half double crochet, "12 single crochet, and 12 half double crochet. You have total 36 stitches in this round. In round 13, same to previous round, need to crochet 2 color in 1 single crochet. In this round switch between beige yarn and red yarn, do single crochet in every stitch until end. In round 14, do a single crochet in every stitch, working in the back loop only. In round 15, do 10 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat this pattern 3 times, total 33 stitches. In the following round, just follow the written pattern. After that, you can secure the eyes in round 18 to 19. Put one eye in between stitch 12 and 13, and another put it in stitch 18 and 19. Here, I use 5mm eye bead. In round 21, do 2 single crochet, then do 1 decrease and 2 single crochet. Repeat this set 3 times. Then do 3 single crochet, then do 1 decrease and 2 single crochet. Repeat this set 3 times. And do 1 single crochet, total 24 stitches. In the following round, just follow the written pattern. After that, you can cut the leftover yarn and fasten off in flat line. The body of anger is complete. Let's move on to the next part to finish anger from inside out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.